Hello, welcome to Forbest Academy. Today we'll be looking at a SAT math question. The question says as follows. If f of x equals 8 minus 2x squared, how many positive integers are in the range of f of x? One thing to note here is that x squared will always be bigger or equal to 0. Right? So that means that this function, since you're subtracting minus 2x squared, you're always going to be subtracting a positive number because x squared is always bigger than 0. Right? So that means that the maximum value of f of x, it's 8. That's the maximum value of this function. Now this function has no minimum value. As x gets bigger and bigger and bigger, the function gets decreasing, 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 right? Okay, so the range of the function let's say it's the range is just any number that is less than, let's call it r. Right? So the question says, okay, how many positive integers are in the range? Okay, so since this is the maximum number, how many positive integers are here? Well, we have 8 positive integers, right? From 1 all the way to 8. So there are 8 positive integers that make up this range. Alright, thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.